Hello everyone, welcome to my channel goose@penatsourcecode.com. Let's continue to my user manual chapter 7, Transaction Master Project. Our user manual for receive payment management system and also simple receive payment. Definition: project is a term used to group activities related to receive and payment. Example, project code RT2503. The name is for routine March 2025. Description: routine payment during March 2025, like electricity bill, water bill during March 2025. Second example, project code SA2503, sales March 2025. The description: sales receive payment during March 2025, like transportation costs, entertainment costs, sales income from customer ads during March 2025. Let's see our application. Go to goose@penatsourcecode.com and click this link. This is link for receive payment management system. This is a simple application to help receive and payment in a simple organization like small company, small stores, school club, or even in a family. And this is also possible to use this application as a simple project for school tasks or school homework. Okay, and let's get into the receive payment management system. Input the password. The password is goose48. Click login. Okay, now let's go to master project. Transaction master project. To display list of project, click button find. Click find. No data matching criteria found. Since we have no data with status created, now let's change the approve. You see, we have 6 projects here, all already approved. The status all is approved. Okay. To add new project, click button add. Add. Input the project code. For example, I will input, okay, let's see our project list. Fine, we already SA2503. Okay, for example, I will input SA2503. The name of the project is Sales March 25. Okay. The description, project note. Let's see the duplicate. Fine. We see here, we already have SA2503. Let's see what will happen. Save. Saving file. Code SA2503 or name sales master already exists in master. Why? Because the rule is, let's see the rule. Primary key is project code and project name. They are the unique key. So duplicate value for project code and also project name is not allowed. Let's see. Well, now I will see what if I input 25. File again. 5. Okay. Name sales already exists. Let's check. SA2505 not exist here, but sales March 2025 already exists. Okay, now let's change for May. Okay, now save. Let's see our project here. We already input SA2505 here, but the status is just created. What we have to do after we click new project and click save, we have to click approve. Now let's approve. What if we don't approve this SA2525? Let's see in our rule. Once we approve, the project is not editable. The project is accessible for receive payment transaction. Let's see. The status is just created. Now I will open receive payment. I will add project code here. Let's see the project code. We cannot find SA2505 here because the status is not approved. Now let's approve. Yes. See? Now it is available for our transaction, for receive payment transaction. This is very simple to create project. Input, save, and approve. Okay, I hope this is easy to be understood. Let's see the data flow diagram. When we first input the data and save, the data will be stored into project master with the status just created. And the second, when we approve, the data will be updated. The status will be approved and accessible for receive payment transaction. I already demonstrated how it works. Okay, everybody, I hope this is not very difficult. And if you think this is good enough, please subscribe to my channel, that is goosespnetsourcecode.com. And thank you. And don't forget to subscribe and visit my goosespnetsourcecode.com.